On 9th of May, at least 22 people were killed and several injured when a bus they were traveling in fell from a bridge in Madhya Pradesh's खारगांव। 50 लोगों को लेकर बस इंदौर जा रही थी, तभी खारगांव के दसंगा गांव में एक पुल से गिर गई और ये हादसा हुआ, जिसके बाद इमरजेंसी सेवाएं स्थानीय ग्रामीणों की मदद से बचाव अभियान में जुट गई। Madhya Pradesh government has announced immediate financial assistance of rupees 4 lakhs each to the families of the deceased. Furthermore, people who are seriously injured will get 50,000 rupees each, while the one with minor injuries will be given 25,000 each. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's office announced today that a compensation of rupees 2 lakh each will be given to the families of those who died.